Imagine this. You are in a small town in India, let's say Chennai, running a shop that sells beautiful hand embroidered bedsheets. Earlier, your customers were limited to your neighborhood or maybe the Sunday bazaar. But today, with just a smartphone and an online store, you can sell the same bedsheets to someone sitting in Mumbai, Bangalore, or even New York. That's the power of e-commerce marketing. So, watch this video till the end because I am going to break down e-commerce marketing A to Z step by step with real examples. So, you can start selling your products online and grow your business massively. So, grab your notes and let's start. So, now we are going to see what is e-commerce marketing. E-commerce marketing is simply using digital strategies to promote your online store and sell more products. Whether you are on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra or your own Shopify store, the goal is the same: attract, engage and convert customers. For example, think about Boat, the earphone brand. It started small but used aggressive online marketing and today it dominates the Indian earphone market. Now we're gonna see how to choose the right platform. We have multiple choices, especially in India. If you are just starting, you can begin with marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, etc. But if you want full control, use Shopify, ecommerce or Instamojo to build your own store. For example, one of my friend in Surat sells designer sarees. Initially, she used only WhatsApp groups to sell, but later shifted to Shopify. The result is she started getting international orders from NRIs in the US and UK. Now we are gonna see how to do a product page optimization in your online store. Your product page is your online salesman. Make sure you put high quality images such as multiple angles of your product, etc. And also describe your product detailedly, especially not just with features and also with benefits. Encourage your audience or customers to give reviews and ratings and also add that reviews and ratings in your website. And also add clear add to cart button. For example, go to Nike's website. Every product page has excellent images, user reviews and recommendations. That's why people trust them. Now we're gonna see how to do a search engine optimization for e-commerce. People search on Google and marketplaces like Amazon. So, you need to show up on there. Use keyword-rich product titles such as you can use handmade Jaipuri cotton bedsheet instead of just bedsheet. For example, I say, and also optimize your product description and add all the text to images that you add. For example, search by kurti online on Google. You will see brands like Biba, Fab India and Myntra dominating because of strong SEO. Let's see how to do a social media marketing for e-commerce. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook and now even YouTube Shorts and Reels are powerful. So make sure you can use that to pull more audience. Show product demos, customers, testimonials and behind the scene content. For example, Chumbak, the Kirkri lifestyle brand, grew using Instagram marketing with colorful visuals and fun reels. Now we are gonna see how to do a paid advertising PPC for e-commerce. Organic growth is slow, so use paid ads that helps you scale fast. You can use Google ads for people searching products, Facebook or Instagram ads for targeting interest and demographics, and also use retargeting ads to bring back people who didn't buy. For example, during the Diwali season, Flipkart's Build Billion Days runs massive paid ad campaigns everywhere, like YouTube, TV, Instagram, etc. And that's why everyone waits for those sales. Now we see email and WhatsApp marketing for e-commerce. Email and WhatsApp are game changers, especially in India. You can send product launches, discount coupons, cart abandonment reminders. You can also build a customer list so you are not dependent only on ads. For example, you ever bought from Agio, you will notice they keep sending you WhatsApp messages like extra 20% off or ending today messages. That's create urgency and drive sales. Let's see influencer and affiliate marketing for e-commerce. In India, people trust recommendation more than ads. That's why influencer marketing is booming. You can use micro-influencer on Instagram and YouTube that they can promote your products easily and effectively. And also, you can sign up affiliate programs that rewards bloggers or YouTubers for driving sales for you. They can make easy for your business. For example, Mama Earth grow rapidly by collaborating with hundreds of Indian influencers from small creators to Bollywood celebrities. That's the power of influencer marketing. Now let's see customer retention and loyalty. It's easier to retain old customers than find new ones. You can offer loyalty programs or discounts for repeat buyers to your old customers and also provide excellent customer supports. So, fast delivery builds trust in India's e-commerce space. For example, Amazon Prime, once you become a member, you keep ordering again and again because of free delivery and Prime Video perks. Now let's see how to measure analytics and continuous improvement. So here I say what gets measured and gets improved. So track sales, conversion rate and abandonment carts. Use tools like Google Analytics, Shopify Dashboard or even Marketplace Insight. Double down on what works, fix what don't. For example, a small t-shirt brand in Bangalore found out most orders were coming late at night. So they started running late night discount ads. The result is sales doubled. Now let's see some of the future trends in e-commerce. So voice search. People searching in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, etc. So the rise of tier 2 and tier 3 city buyers are increased. UPI and digital wallets making checkout super easy. And also a lot of AI driven personalization are improved. For example, think about how UPI changed the way Indians shop online. Even a vegetable seller today accepts online payment. So that's your complete roadmap to e-commerce marketing. Whether you sell sarees, gadgets or even homemade pickles, and these strategies can help you grow online. Now tell me in the comments what product would you love to sell online. I will reply with some specific marketing ideas just for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and don't forget to share this with someone who dreams of starting their own online business. Click this podcast to see all digital marketing episodes. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Cheers.